So before we start our tutorial, let us know what is an Ecobrick. So an Ecobrick are plastic bottles filled with the type of plastic waste we can't recycle. So what is the use of an Ecobrick? Ecobricks can be used to produce various items including furnitures, garden walls, and other structures. So now let's proceed to the tutorial. So we need scissors to cut the plastics, stick to stick inside the plastics inside the PET bottle, and of course our 1.5 liter bottle, and then plastics that we need to cut. So mag-start na tayong mag-cut ng mga plastics natin. Mas better if maliliit yung ika-cut nyo para mas madali siyang i-insert sa bottle. So dapat mga ka-friendship na tandaan nyo na the things you put in your Ecobrick can't be recycled or won't break down. So be sure not to include metal, paper, card, food waste, or glass. So you need to make sure that your Ecobrick is packed as tightly as possible to make it really strong. So push, guys. Guys, ito na po yung Ecobrick ko. So, marami rin ang nalagay ng plastic. So, ano ko na lang sa screen yung mga standard na equivalent na grams na kailangan per bottle. So, sa 1.5 liters, merong equivalent na weight na dapat sa standards para ma-donate nyo. Pero if ever kung hindi nyo i-donate, pwede ninyo to ma-use as hollow blocks. So I'm planning to have a raised bed dito. So ito ang gagamitin ko na halogens, guys. Please comment on the comment section, and please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching MaryMarTV.